Woods Online, and today I'm going to make a cake they call the 3-2-1 cake. And it's so easy, so simple, and it's kind of cool because it's this cake. It's like a cake mix that you can keep on hand and make mug cakes. So let me show you instead of trying to explain it to you, okay? So step over here and we're gonna mix up the cake mix part. So come over here. There you go. Come on. Alrighty. So as you can see, I have an airtight container. You can actually get away with using like a gallon Ziploc bag works fine. Like a freezer bag works really good, but I'm gonna use this. And what you do is you put this is Devil's Food, but you can use whatever flavor cake mix you want to use. I'm using Devil's Food, and I'm just going to put a whole cake mix box, a whole box mix of Devil's Food. Whoops! Here, let's get one you can see. There. So I'm going to put a whole bunch of that in there. One whole box. It'd be easier if I'd cut the top off instead of ripping it open. And then, actually I could have got away with a lot smaller container probably. And then the next thing you're going to do, the only other thing you need to do really, is then I'm going to put a whole angel food box mix in there. So this is for angel food cake. And I'm making a mess in my kitchen, but that's okay because it's already a mess. Now I'm inhaling angel food dust. That doesn't sound right, does it? Whoop. Leave it to me to make an even bigger mess. And there's that. See it okay? Then I'm just going to take a big spoon of some kind, and I'm just going to give this a whole nice stir and get it all mixed up. Actually, we're going to try something crazy. If I had this in a zippy bag, like a gallon size zippy bag, I could just do this too. Just zip it up and do this. Just give it a nice mix. Make sure you're getting your two cake mixes all stirred up. And that's your mix. Like I said, I think I'm going to move this to a smaller container later. This container's bigger than I thought. And now we're going to show you how to use this. So just imagine keeping this in your cabinet, and one evening after work, you're sitting there and you're watching Netflix and you're like, man, I really want some cake. But I don't have time to make a cake and all that. So what you do is you open up your little container and you grab a mug and you grab a tablespoon and you put 3 tablespoons. So that's a 3-2-1 recipe. So you put 3 tablespoons of the cake mixture in there. Kind of messy. Put your lid back on. And then sorry, I should have had this waiting. Then this is just water. Then you take then you just do 2 tablespoons of water. 1. Make sure it's a full tablespoon. And you can just do this with your sink, or however, if you use bottled water, whatever kind of water you use. And you can use the same spoon if you want to, unless you're going to be making more than one of these. You can use your same spoon and just stir it up. Give it a good stir. Get it all nice and yummy. So that's 3 tablespoons. So it's a 3-2-1 cake. 3 tablespoons of the cake mixture. 2 tablespoons of water. And the 1 is how long you cook it in the microwave. So you just take this little bad boy over to the microwave and cook it for 1 minute. So let's go do that. It's kind of messy over there, but come on. Let's go. You see my mess over here? All right, so just put it in the microwave. for 60 seconds or 1 minute. And then we doctor it up. Okay, I need to get short again. The thing is, if you guys saw me, I'm only 5'1", so I'm already super short. But I've got this little tripod, and anyway, I probably need more than one camera angle. But, so once that cake is finished cooking, 60 seconds or a minute in the microwave, you can doctor it up. And I'm going to doctor it up. While it's still warm, I'm going to put a dollop of frosting on top. I just happen to have cream cheese flavored frosting, but on this chocolate cake, chocolate frosting would be really yummy. Or on the chocolate cake, you could put, there it is. If it's chocolate cake, it'd be really good with maybe some chocolate chips on top. You could just throw a few chocolate chips on top and it'll melt pretty cute, very nicely. So here it is. This is what it looks like. Smells like chocolate cake. So come here. So we're going to doctor this cake up. So what we're going to do is add a little frosting. All right, this actually right here it's not super bad on calories because it's angel food cake and it's devil's food cake, but it's only, what, 3 tablespoons? This is the part that's going to make it fattening. So if you leave this part off, be a little less fattening. It's not healthy nonetheless, but it makes my soul happy. And then we're going to put some sprinkles on top, and I'm using the pretty chocolate colored sprinkles, but you could actually use the pretty rainbow sprinkles if you want to. And see, there's my cake. Nice and warm, gooey cake. And so seriously, in the time, come back here. I'm not happy with this thing today. In the time that it would take you to watch a commercial, if you were on Hulu or regular cable TV, or if you pause just for a few seconds, literally, you can have this cake ready to go in about 2 minutes and get right back to your show. So, and it's portion controlled. You know, like I said, it's not healthy, but very few things I'm going to make on this channel will probably be healthy. Unfortunately, that's just how I can be sometimes. So, yum, you should try it. Not many ingredients, super easy, super fast, my kind of recipe. See you next time.